Hey, hardworking workers! Are you commuting daily, running errands, or driving for work? Let's talk about the best car insurance and coverage options to fit your busy life. Why does the right coverage matter? As a worker, your car is more than just transportation. It's your lifeline to get to your job, meet clients, or handle deliveries. The right car insurance ensures you're protected no matter what happens on the road. Budget-friendly insurance options. If you're looking for affordable plans, here are some tips. Liability-only coverage. Great for older cars or if you're on a tight budget. Usage-based insurance. Perfect if you only drive during work hours. Bundling discounts. Bundle your car insurance with homeowners or renters. Insurance for extra savings. Coverage every worker should consider. Depending on how you use your car, these coverages are essential. Comprehensive and collision coverage. Protects your vehicle from accidents, theft, and natural disasters. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. A must if you work in areas with uninsured drivers. Roadside assistance. For breakdowns during commutes or long-distance work trips. Rental reimbursement. Covers the cost of a rental car if your vehicle is in the shop. Ways to save money on insurance. Saving on car insurance is easier than you think. Drive safely to qualify for safe driver discounts. Ask your employer if they offer insurance discounts for employees. Review your policy annually to make sure you're not overpaying for unnecessary coverage. Drive safely, work confidently. Finding the right car insurance doesn't have to be a job in itself. With the right plan, you can focus on work knowing you're covered. Like, share, and follow for more tips, and let us know in the comments. What's your biggest car insurance question? See you next time.